Da 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 da. Well, that's pretty cool. Old Bodgy Bob strikes again. Another lesson in how not to tile. But this is how they did it. This was done years ago. What's happening, puppy? Huh? No, I still haven't got any gloves on. Yeah, so I'll just put a bit of Gyprock in there. I'll get some, so I'll get a sheet and replace this as well. Alright, the way you take off a skirting, people, is you always need something to push against with your crowbar. So you go down here. Oh, well, you meant to go down there and push against your plate, but that's not working. The plate's not there. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just cut straight around there with my Stanley knife and peel it all back and replace that. I'll show you in a sec. See you soon.